Hey, it's your boy Steve Savoy here. Just want to talk to you very briefly, hoping that you're having an amazing day, that you're able to spend time with your loved ones. I know it's a little difficult because of the COVID, and everybody nowadays, they're encouraging us not to connect and not to get together and be with one another. But I want to encourage you to connect and to network with one another. We have many mediums now that we can use. We can use social media. We can use Zoom. We can use Skype. There's so many different things that we should use, and those things are in existence for us to use them. Take advantage of the opportunities that are before you. On today, many times I'm either, actually we visit my mother-in-law and we visit my biological mother. So, we go visit, my wife and I go visit our parents so that, we can spend some time with them. But they're very traditional and they love this time of year. And we love spending time with family no matter what time of year it is. I come from a small family. She comes from a large family. But it's just good to spend time with family. We love getting together. But I want to encourage you also that this is an amazing time to realize that when things like this happens, it's sort of a reality check. It lets you know what's happening in society. It lets you know how important it is to use these mediums like a Zoom and like a Skype and all forms of social media to connect and to do many things. How important it is to use these mediums like a Zoom and like a Skype and all forms of social media to connect and to do many things. But it's not just for us to talk. It's also for us to build, to create, to establish something that will benefit our upcoming generations. So I'm a digital entrepreneur. There's many things that I do that I can show you how to do, which would also benefit those that come behind you. If that's something that you're interested in doing, and I don't mean a person that's interested in jumping in for 2 months or 3 months, because anybody knows me, I'm a very serious man. So I'm interested in somebody who's really engaged with creating generational wealth for them, for their families. Somebody that wants to build something. Anything of quality is not built in 1 day or in 2 days or in 2 weeks or 2 months, but it takes time. But if you're ready to commit, I can show you ways that you can make monthly money. Can't make no income claims, but I can show you ways that you can do great things. And this is a great time to do that. I'm in the kitchen doing a couple things now, not preparing nothing really big because we're going to be actually on a flight, actually going here in just a day or two. So I'm looking forward to that. But this day, just take time out with your family and think about building generational wealth. We're actually falling behind with many other countries where they understand how important it is to establish these things for their families, and they're actually doing it. They're chipping in together. They're putting one person in, getting them to learn how to do what I do, which is to trade, transform into travel. And they're showing each other, they're investing in each other so that they can invest in the upcoming generations, the future generations. If you really care for your loved ones, if you're really interested in creating generational wealth, you should really be interested in getting that phone number right here at the bottom of the screen, right down here somewhere, texting me and saying, Steve, Savoy Life, show me the money, so I can show you how you can actually begin to build generational wealth for you and your family. And not just you, but it's a simple skill set that you can teach your loved ones so that everyone can grow up and do great things. This is Savoy Life, and I'm out.
Yeah.